In this video, I'd like to show how to calculate the percentiles. There are 3 steps to find percentiles. Step 1. Sort the dataset in ascending order. Step 2. Find the position using the formula shown. Please note that there are different formulas to find the position. Step 3. Find the value in the position. Make sure the difference between the position and the value in the position. Let's take a look at the example then. First, rearrange the dataset. We can see the lowest value as 164 and cross out after placing it. The next value is 173 and the third one is 198 and so on. Continuing this way to place them in order. After placing in order, please make sure the number of the observations as 12. Once we have the ordered observations, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Find the position. We use the position formula shown to find the location of 55th percentile. Since number of the observations in this case is 12, substitute 12 for n and substitute 55 on the numerator. Now we found the position as 7.15, which is between 7th and 8th, closer to 7th. We can place the position number on top of each observation value. The value in 7th position is 240 and the value in 8th position is 245. So 55th percentile must be somewhere between 240 and 245. Let's find the exact value next. Step 3. Find the value for the position 7.15. Try to draw a diagram. First, place the position number 7th and 8th. Then place value for each position. The value in 7th position is 240 and the value in 8th position is 245. So 55th percentile must be somewhere between 240 and 245. Let's find the exact value next using the formula below. Fractional part of the position means 0.15. Distance of two values is larger value minus smaller value, which is 245 minus 240 to get 5. Now we need to multiply 5 by 0.15 to get the distance from the smaller value, which is 0.75. 0.75 is the distance from the smaller value, so lastly we need to add the value to the smaller value to get 240.75 milligram per deciliter, which is 55th percentile. So 55th percentile is 240.75 milligram per deciliter. Let's interpret this result. Position is 7.15 and the value is 240.75. 50% of the data values are lower than or equal to 240.75 and 45% of the data values are higher than 240.75. That is, 50% of the smokers' cotinine levels are lower than or equal to 240.75 milligram per deciliter and 45% are higher than 240.75 milligram per deciliter. Please make sure the differences between the position and the value in the position. Here is a summary. There are 3 steps to find the percentiles. Step 1. Rearrange the dataset from bottom to top. Step 2. Find the location where the percentile value lies using the formula shown. Step 3. Find the value in the position using the formula shown, which is my own version if you like. I hope you understand. See you next time.